Hello everybody, my name's Mia and today I'm going to show you how to change the EGR valve on a 2009 Chevy Equinox. So right here, this is the EGR valve. So to change it, first we need to unplug the EGR valve, then we take out the oil. So first there's this little clip. So we pick this up and we pull it out. Now we're gonna turn the cap. The cap came off. We're taking out the whole thing, so we can take this off.
You can take just the cap off. That's fine. You can take just the cap off. Now you can take Now you can take it off. Yeah, turn. Here, put the cap back on. Now don't pull up on the cap. Just turn. Just turn. Don't pull up. Just keep turning. Keep turning. There you go. Easy peasy.
Now you can take the thing off.
No, just from one side to the other. There's only two things holding it in. These two things. These two metal posts are the things that are holding on that cover. Those two metal posts, okay? Then
Okay, now
you're going to put
plug,
the oil, yeah, go ahead.
We're going to plug this back in. And we're going to put the oil back in.
So that nothing falls in the engine, right?
Yeah.
Oh, you really don't have to plug that back in. That's only if you're going to start the car.
Let's take this off.
Okay, so
Now,
what do we need? We need the EGR valve there.
Yeah.
So pull it out of the box. It's hard to do when you have gloves on, huh? Trying to hide a smile.
This is the EGR valve.
Okay, what comes in it when you buy an EGR valve? What comes in this bag?
The gasket.
Show me the gasket.
It kind of looks like cardboard.
Flip it. There you go.
And
So
the gasket goes on this thing.
no, which side? Let's see. Which side of the gasket? No, it's both the same. Both sides. Sometimes it's like a silvery metal. Okay, so it looks the same?
Yep.
Does it match? Look at it. Put it next to the other one.
Like this.
They match, right?
Yeah.
Okay, great.
So this tube goes in this hole, and then the screw goes in this hole. And then this screw goes in the right hole, and there's another screw on the left side that goes in this hole.
Okay, great. What tools are we going to need?
There's one's
What's that?
3/8 ratchet
Okay, 3/8 ratchet.
and 3/8. What is this?
Extension.
Extension, and we might need a shorter extension. So just have that nearby just in case.
You got to talk to the camera louder. Say it again.
And you might need a shorter extension just.
You got to talk to the camera. You got an audience. The audience is, why doesn't she look at us? I don't understand this little girl. She never done YouTube before?
Okay. Okay, well, you might need a smaller extension just in case. Then we need a 10mm socket.
I don't see the socket. She doesn't know what she's doing. She's on YouTube. I don't want to watch this channel anymore. This girl is funny.
Okay.
Well, how do we know it's 10 millimeter? I couldn't see that.
Because it says 10 millimeter.
Okay, there we go. It says 10 millimeter. Good.
Okay.
Okay, so what do we take off first? We're going to take the tube off, right?
Yeah.
So get your socket and ratchet.
This.
You don't need the extension.
This socket, ratchet. And make sure it's going to the left.
Lefty loosey, righty tighty, right?
Yeah.
Have you ever done this before?
No.
Nope. We're doing it on the fly, guys. Mistakes will be made. This is my work truck. So when she does the brakes, my life is in my daughter's hands.
Okay. We're gonna take off the tube first, so we're gonna take off this bolt first. So first make sure it's on there, then to turn it.
You got it, huh?
Yes. It feels just like the drain plug.
Oh, the neighbors are rocking. I might need to cut that out.
That's copyrighted
Hopefully,
music.
yeah, it's copywritten if YouTube can hear it. I don't know.
I hope they can.
We might have to reshoot this. Yeah. Come on, guy. Trying to make a video. Okay, folks, we're back. We're rudely interrupted by a copyright AC/DC song playing across the street by our neighbors who did not know we're making a YouTube video. So that's not his fault. All right. So let's go ahead and continue where we left off.
Start from the bolt. So we need to take the tube off first. So we're gonna unscrew this bolt. So make sure it's pointing to the left.
Lefty loosey, righty tighty. That's what happens when you do a YouTube video and it's grassroots. Got no windage mics, no microphones with windage covers. It's just off of a Note 8 phone and we're videotaping. And you can hear everything because it's out of your driveway. Not in a nice studio like some of those car gurus. They got big production companies behind them, multi-million-dollar productions. That's funny.
Okay,
I love watching them.
we can screw it.
We'll get there one day. We're not multi-million. We're only $5. $5 crew. Buy me a burger and a drink and fries. I'm good to go.
How long is this bolt?
Pretty long, not that long. Should be loose enough. Now, you're going to get the socket, and you can put the extension, and you're going to do it by hand. So you're going to get the socket, the socket and extension only. You're going to do it by hand. That way you don't have to use your fingers. Now you can do it faster. Put one finger under it so you can catch it. There you go. You got it. And now you have the extension ready to go.
We got put in order.
Okay, now you have the extension ready. Put that on the 3/8 ratchet. And you got 2 more bolts to go. Easy. Easy job. Even a 11-year-old girl can do it.
Oh, this one.
Right, Mia?
Yeah.
Push hard. Good. So when you tighten and loosen these bolts, you got to push towards the bolt and you got to turn with the other hand. Because you don't want the socket to pop off the bolt.
This one's going to be short.
Yep, so put one finger, take the ratchet off. The ratchet, right? Take the ratchet off. Turn it by hand, quick. And catch that bolt. Yeah, get all the ambience of the outside, the outdoors. neighbors
The
pulling in,
owl.
pulling out, the birds, the wind, the rain, the neighbors playing AC/DC songs, which I love AC/DC, but I don't like getting copywritten in a copyright strike. Can you hear that? Bird. Woo-hoo, woo-hoo.
Yeah, this one was on the right.
Okay, now the next one. Let me switch over. So we got this bolt out. We got this bolt out. And now we need to get this bolt's a little harder because it's in there. So you're going to need your... Oh, you know what? That's a special one. Look at it.
I think it's the
See it in the camera?
I think it's a star.
Yeah, you're going to need a special one.
Wait, this one has...
No, that's not it.
Okay.
But yeah, you can see if it can work on the outside. Check it.
Yeah, maybe.
Okay,
Yeah.
Let's try to pull it out. Push. No, no, no. That's right. There you go. Wow. Works as a star and a socket. Thank God for that, huh? Okay, take this ratchet off. Do it by hand. And catch it. Now, what did you do this morning?
The oven.
The oven?
The
whole
heating
oven?
No. No, the heating element on the bottom.
The what?
The heating element on the bottom.
The heating element on the bottom of the oven. So what was wrong with it?
It wasn't heating.
What was wrong with it? Why wasn't it heating? What happened when you pulled it out?
It broke.
It was broken. It was burnt. It was burnt in one place in the middle, right? And it just broke in half right when you took it out.
Okay,
Now you need to pull off the EGR valve. Does it come out easy? Is there another bolt? No,
There.
it just pops off, right?
Yeah. This is the old one.
That's the old one. Now, why are we replacing it? It is giving a code of
It's
P0404, which means EGR valve stuck open.
Yeah.
So the reason it gets stuck open is either carbon is build up in there and it won't let it close. Show it to the camera. Show the hole. The other one, not in the tube.
This one?
Yeah. So carbon buildup can get in there and that'll have it stuck open. So it won't work right. Okay, let's put the new one on. Get the show on the road.
Wait, the new one. It's in here.
Thought you took it out already.
Yes, but...
Showed the audience.
Yes.
Yeah, it's the first time, YouTubers.
That's the gasket.
Yeah, that gasket's no good. You never reuse the gasket.
Okay, it looks like it's the same.
It is the same. Doesn't matter what side. It's both the same. Like I said, there's some gaskets that have metal on it.
So there's nothing you can stick on it?
You're going to put the bolt in
Okay.
to get it started. Remember which bolt is which side?
Yeah. Left.
Okay. Now let's get that side started. That's the hardest side.
What? It won't go on the gasket.
Here. You're going to turn it, right. It'll make the hole bigger. Turn it. Don't push it or tear it. Just turn it. Keep it like that. Get it started. Get started. Don't push it. Don't push the paper. Just get it started. The paper's on there, right?
Yeah.
Okay, it started. There you go. No. Keep that socket on there. Okay, now, no, don't put the ratchet on. Just the socket and the extension. Okay, now, put it on the car. Just start it?
Yes.
Okay. Don't tighten it. Just leave it there. Now put the other one in. Put the other one in. We go to the other side.
I should have gotten them both on when it was outside.
It's okay. As long as the hole's there and you can get it started. Is that one in?
Yeah. Not in this.
That's what I'm asking you. You got to hold the EGR valve. You might need to move it up or down to get it into the hole.
It's in the hole now.
Okay, so tighten the other side first, because that's the side that came off last. No, put the ratchet on it. Lefty loosey, righty tighty, right? Remember, always push forward while turning. Don't tighten it all the way. It's getting tight?
Not yet.
No, not yet. It's not in all the way.
No.
Go faster. Go rack, 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 rack. There you go. That's the sound it's supposed to make. Rack, 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 rack. Okay, now the other side. Do it fast. Push while turning. Faster. Rack, 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 rack. You gotta push so it doesn't come off. You're not holding it right. There you go. There you go. No, no, yes. Getting tight?
Not yet.
So go a little faster if it's not tight. No, that's not the right way to hold it. Not like that either. You had it. Yes. Now push. And go a little faster. Did it start? It didn't start, Mia.
It did start.
No, you gotta lift it. It didn't. Lift it while you're turning it. I didn't say push it. So something's not right.
It's almost in there. Now they're about the same.
Okay, put the tube in. And turn that bolt so it lines up. You see why I don't want it tight?
Yeah.
Because the tube's got to go in.
Oh, that's not.
Okay, now put that third bolt in. So now you understand why you don't want to tighten the bolts all the way. You want to leave it loose so that any other part that you need to fit in, you can move it. Oh, loud car going by. You want to leave the bolts loose enough, but started, so that if you need to put any other fitment in, you can move it around and get it to fit in. Remember, on this one, you don't need the extension when you tighten it. So you got to move the EGR valve so it lines up. You got to use one hand, Mia, for one thing and another hand for the other. Look at what you're doing. Lefty loosey, righty tighty. It's not lined up.
But it's in a hole.
Something's wrong with that bird. It's hyperventilating.
Okay, so when it's like this, it'll go in.
So it went in like that?
Yeah. No, it won't go in.
Do it by fingers first. Why you keep loosening it?
Cause
I told you, move the EGR valve to line it up. You need to go up or down?
down.
Tighten it tight as you can with your fingers first. Okay, now, get the socket and ratchet, not the extension. All right. Push. Push. Do it like I showed you. Put your palm. There you go. Put your, no, turn it the other way. You're going to do it like this. Put your hand like this. Hold the sides like that. And push. No, not like that. Yes, push. Push. You're not pushing, it's moving. Push with your hand. It's not ratcheting. That's how I know you're not pushing. That's not going to do it. Stop. You got to listen. Get your hand like this. Hold the sides and push. Look at how I'm pushing. You're going to push and then you're going to turn at the same time. There you go. Push harder. Now you're going to move your hands, your fingers with it. Look. Turn it. Okay, see how my fingers move with it? Okay, go. See? And I can turn it with my fingers if I want.
It's not all the way.
Tighten it.
And all the way?
Yep.
Just snug.
That one you know is in.
Okay.
Okay.
I'm gonna do
Now that, no, the other side first.
This side. And this one.
Do it the way I showed you.
Okay, on this side.
You hear me? Crack, crack, crack. When I hear that, I know you're pushing.
Okay. They're tight.
Okay. Then connect it,
Plug it in.
and we're going to test it. All right. Stay tuned while we test the car and see if the error code is gone. Hold on tight. Here we go. Starting the car. Turn it on. Let's see what it says. Nope.
Oh, still
the
there.
The track's still off.
Servicing.
So we gotta wait for it to go through a cycle. Okay, no problem. We know how to clear codes. Yeah. Okay, turn it off. And we'll be right back. Okay, so now we're gonna start the car. I'm gonna look for codes. Stabilitrack or anything like that. Stabilitrack off, or let me get in there closer.
Doesn't say anything on that side.
So, service airbag. Yeah, we know that.
Okay, start the car.
Start the car. Now this is where it'll start. It'll come on right here.
There's no...
Okay, push the middle button.
This?
Yeah.
Information.
There you go. Stop. Okay, good.
Turn off the car now.
It doesn't come on anymore. Great.
We're done.
Good job. EGR valve done by an 11-year-old girl. What do we always say? Go ahead and stop the car. Take it out. The key. Take it out. Yeah, she's new to YouTube.
If I can do it, then you can do it too.
You can do it, right? All right. Good job.